Hello and welcome to today's episode of Wo bin ich zu Hause, meine Heimat für Fremde. Simply put, where do I call home? My home country for foreigners. Getting to Obudu Cattle Ranch. Good morning, guys! I made it to Obudu Cattle Ranch, and this has been something on my mind for quite a while. The first time I heard about Obudu Cattle Ranch must have been like 16 or 17 years ago, whilst I was still working at Multimedia Design Communications in Lagos as a graphic artist. We made a brochure for the Cross River State government about this place, and I saw the pictures and I was saying, oh my God, I have to go here. I have to see this place. And voila, 17 or 16 years later, I am standing and looking at this beautiful view in the morning, kind of like having all of this to myself. Wow, I don't know what to say, but I'm going to talk about three things which you should keep in mind if you want to visit Obudu Cattle Ranch. So the first thing is, Obudu Cattle Ranch is not 4 hours away from Calabar. It's over 8 hours away from Calabar. And because I had three things on my list that we were going to visit, so the first being Afi Drill Ranch, the second, Cross River National Park, the third, Obudu Cattle Ranch, and they were all in this direction. And I had visited the Drill Ranch in Calabar, the smaller one, and I got to understand that actually the Drill Ranch is like 2 hours away from Obudu, the town. So stopping first there and then continuing to Obudu made sense. I then planned the journey or readjusted the journey to be like that. So you take a vehicle from the Mobile filling station in Calabar. There's Siennas loading coming to Obudu. So if you're not driving yourself, and then we dropped off at Wola, and we took a bike to Buki to access the Afi Drill Ranch. And then after that, we took a car from Wola to Obudu. Now, here's the second thing. If you were going to the cattle ranch, please always say Obudu Cattle Ranch, because I kept saying Obudu and I forgot that Obudu is a town. So if you told someone you were going to Obudu, they would take you to the town. But from the town to the cattle ranch is another 1 hour, 45 minutes. So you want to get your facts right and you want to get the names right. This place is referred to as the ranch, and the town is referred to as Obudu. And you will actually pass Otenga, which is another town where you get the car going uphill to the ranch. So that's number two. Always say you are going to Obudu Cattle Ranch and not Obudu. Third thing is, you will read a lot of reviews of how this place has been mismanaged and it's not managed well. And whilst I have to agree that the resort has lost its glory, if I remember those beautiful pictures back then, nature is still faithful to us. I mean, look at this. Can you argue with that? Can you argue with that the beauty of this place is still here? And that even if the rooms and the structures made by man are being neglected and they fall apart, that we can still appreciate the work of God and nature. So I love this place. I love the views. So far so good. Those are the three things I wanted to point out to you. The distance from Calabar to Obudu Cattle Ranch, the possible fact that you could make it stop at Afi Drill Ranch, and also the fact that this place is still so beautiful regardless if the room is not as nice as it should be. So, hope you've noted the three things that I want you to keep in mind if you're trying to go to Obudu Cattle Ranch. And even though the accommodation might still be challenging, there's still tons of tours that you can do around the ranch area that make it worth your while. So do keep in mind that you can still visit Obudu Cattle Ranch and have a great time, even if the accommodation is not perfect. Thanks for watching. Yours truly, Liesl81.